Hello student, welcome back to Maths online classes. I'm your Maths teacher. Okay, you're all just completed your midterm exams. Now we will study our new chapter, but first we will revise chapter number 9, measurement. So first we will do revision of chapter number 9, measurement. Okay, in previous classes we have completed this chapter and today we have to do revision of this chapter once again. Okay, so first we will learn about keys of measurement of length. I told you in your previous classes, students, there are keys of measurement. Okay, so some few points are given over here. First one is, you all remind that first one is longer and shorter. You all know that longer and shorter. First I will write all the points, then I will explain all things here. Okay, big and small, tallest and shortest, tallest and shortest, thick and thin, heavy and light, and last but not in least, more and or less. Students, what do you mean by measurement? Can you explain? By measurement, we can find the length of the subject, things or something. If we are having two pencils, okay. If you are having, I am having one scale and with me and one pen. Okay, sorry, I'm not having. One is scale and another one is marker. Okay, student. So this one is small and this one is shorter and this one is longer. So we can identify the length of these things. Okay, like this only. If we are having this marker, black marker and one pen, so here we can say that this one is thick and this one is thin and this one is thick. Okay, so this is thin, patla hai ye, and this one is thick. Okay, now next one. If I am having this pencil with me and this rubber with me, this pencil with me and this pen with me. So this one is taller and this rubber is shorter. Taller mean lamba and shorter mean chota. Okay, like this only, students, we can identify things. Now, longer and shorter. If we are having one small pencil with me and one big pencil with me. So this one is shorter and this one is longer. Like same way, big and small. Here we are having one small ball with us and one big ball with us. So which one is small and which one is big, students? This one is small one. This one is big one. So we can say there are two types of ball. One is small and one is big. Like this. Next point is taller and shorter. Taller and shorter. Taller means lamba and shorter means chota. Taller. Here we are having one mango tree and one coconut tree. So you can see, student, mango tree is shorter than coconut tree. Coconut is taller and mango is shorter. Like this only, thick and thin. Thick and thin. Here we are having one pot with us. This one is, and so this one is thin and this one is thick. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा पतला है और ये थोड़ा सा चौड़ा है. Okay, like this we can identify thick and thin subjects. Heavy and light. Here we are having one balloon and one ball. Which one is heavy, student? This ball. This one is heavy and this one is light. More or less. We are having 5 chocolates with us. I am having 5 chocolates and you are having only 2. Okay. So which one having more? Your teacher or you? Of course, your teacher is having more chocolates with her and you are having less chocolates. Because I am having 5 chocolates with me and you are having only 2 chocolates. So here is 5 chocolate is more and 2 chocolate is less. जो कम है वो less है and ज़्यादा है वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? More बोलते हैं. Now take out page number 170. Longer and our first topic is longer and shorter. Page number 117. Here, take the longer object. Take the longer object. We have to take our longer object. So you can see, students, one tie is given over here. Okay, green tie and multicolor tie. Okay, like this. So we have to take a longer object. So here the longest tie is this. So we have to take a longer one. As it is, next one, shorter. Take the shorter object. Shorter means chota. Here one key is drawn over here, one long key and one short key. So we have to take in which shorter object. So here the shorter object is this one, this small key. So this is a longer and shorter. Okay, I am taking only one examples, and other you have to do, students, at your own. Now next one is take the longest candle. We have to take in the longest, mean सबसे बड़ा. Here we have given over in page number 18. Okay, take out page number 18. In page number 18, there are 3 candles drawn over here. One is long, second one is short, and another one is medium in size. Okay, so in 3 candles, which one is longest one? You have to tell, students. So here first candle is the longest candle. Same it is in second question. Take the shortest object, shortest sugar cane. Okay, here three sugar canes are drawn over here. Okay, so we have to take in the shortest. Here 3 sugar canes are given over there, and we have to take the सबसे छोटा sugar cane. So सबसे छोटा sugar cane is this. Hope students you all understand this. In next chapter we will do our next page. Okay, we will continue with next topic. Hope you all understand this, and thank you and have a good day.